right, Todd's back, full forecast time. Crazy to see snow in Florida, or even a chance of snow like in November. Like that's not normal.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's not unheard of.
Sure.
It is uncommon, but this early in the season, it is. And yeah, there are frost and freeze warnings and advisories all the way down through Georgia and the Panhandle of Florida. So this is an abnormal cold blast, and it's basically going to consume us here in New England for like the next week.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot more like December than November. We have picked up some rain, and in some places it was pretty beneficial, over an inch for Freiburg, about 3/4 of an inch for Portland. Many other towns and communities picked up about a half an inch. We'll take it. The ground's still not frozen, although, you know, after the next week or two, there's a chance that in some places it will be. Only a few isolated showers over down East Maine. They're about gone. There's still some warmth in down East Maine, but that's about gone too. As you look back to the west, it gets colder and colder and colder, and it feels even colder than those numbers are reading because there is some wind, and it'll be blowing in out of the west all day long. So dress as if it's the middle of winter today because it will feel like it. You'll need that puffy coat that's got some substance to it, hat, gloves possibly too. Low pressure is strong. It's now moving up into the Canadian Maritimes where it'll park itself for the next several days. Winds around it will be out of the west-northwest, keeping things cold. And it will dry us out, which is nice, but we're not going to see a whole lot of sunshine these next couple of days. We'll have a little out there this morning. It will help us dry out, and that wind will too. But that wind will also have it feeling colder. By the middle of the day, it becomes mostly cloudy again, and temperatures barely rise today. With that wind blowing in from the west-northwest, it's going to be bringing in colder air. So not only are the temperatures not going to move, but it's also going to create that wind chill effect. Those feels-like temperatures in the gusts will be in the 20s. And I can't rule out some snow showers, especially over the terrain, but even down to the coastline and in eastern Maine, there may be some flakes and flurries through the course of the night. And by morning, you might have to brush off the windshield. Yeah, it's that time of the year. Westerlies 15 to 25 miles per hour, normal highs 50 degrees. We're only going to be around 40 this afternoon. So these are the temperatures you'll experience this afternoon, upper 30s to around 40. Tomorrow, the lows up here. We still have some wind around the backside of it, so it's going to be a chilly day, mostly cloudy out there with some breaks of sun. The next low passes through on Thursday, and there'll be a trough of low pressure which will focus some moisture, and some snow showers will be possible, or some rain showers near the coast on Thursday. That low then strengthens and goes up to Canada, and the pattern, you know, does it all over again with winds out of the northwest, kind of gusty through the upcoming Friday, Saturday time frame, and temperatures staying on the chilly side. We'll keep an eye on this next system for the end of the weekend, which could give us a wintry mix by Sunday. So let's look at the snowfall potential through Thursday evening. Mountains will likely pick up a few inches of snow, but there is a chance that there could be some coatings or a stray inch in other places, especially in eastern Maine, either tonight or again on Thursday from those snow showers. Gale warnings, seas 6 to 8 feet, westerlies 20 to 30 knots, water temperatures 50. That sounds nice when you look at the 7-day like this. Right around 40 today, tomorrow, again on Thursday and Friday. There'll be a few flakes out there today. Tomorrow's partly sunny. Some drops or flakes possible on Thursday. And then over the weekend, on Saturday, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, lower 40s then, with a chance for some rain or snow on Sunday. And that could be our next bigger weather maker, aside from the fact that it is going to be pretty blustery and cold for the next few days.
Wow, it's a lot of low fours there.
It really is.
For this time of year, this seems aggressive. So
it's a little bit.
After Thanksgiving is more
normal,
typical.
Exactly.
All right, well, thank you, sir. All right, so this is insane.